Hi, Ken Ravago, Ravago Group Property Management. Today we're going to talk about how to rent out your house in Las Vegas. We're going to go step by step through pricing, marketing, a little bit on screening, maintenance, so you can rent your house out confidently. First of all, let's analyze some of our local market stats. As of June 2025, the rental market median price for a single family home in the Valley is $2,250 a month. That's up 4.7% from last year. Inventory is also up 12.5%, and the number of homes rented is down nearly 8%. With condos and townhomes, it's following a similar trend. We have more units available, longer days on market, so this means pricing correctly and standing out is more important than ever. Let's talk about pricing strategy. Smart pricing balances vacancy risk with rental income. You want to use current active listings, whether it's on the Zillow or if you have access to the MLS, not just past data, because oftentimes that data is already obsolete. You have to adjust for new flooring, pools, little features that your house has, and you got to stay competitive, reducing your downtime. Next, marketing your property effectively. Take clear, professional photos. If you can have a virtual tour, you want to highlight local perks such as schools, shopping, parks, amenities, and you want to post your listings on platforms like Zillow, HotPads, and if you have access to MLS. Next, screening criteria. Screening is your protection. You want to do it in accordance with fair housing. I'm not going to talk a lot about screening because if you check out our website, we'd be happy to share what our rental guidelines are, and you can use them as your own. Preparing your property for lease. Before you move in an applicant or a tenant, you want to do a safety check. Smoke alarms, locks, window locks, check on your appliances. At the Ravago Group, we document the condition of a home with at least 200 to 300 photos. In addition, we have a solid lease that outlines rent terms, pet policy, and maintenance expectations. Again, you can borrow a copy of our lease on our website. Systems. Set up systems that keep things running smooth. We use online rent collection and have a clear way for tenants to report maintenance issues. You can use email, but a lot of times for a company like ours, we have a portal that you can have two-way communication. With maintenance, we partner with licensed and insured vendors. You want to stay ahead with preventative maintenance like HVAC and plumbing issues. We recommend a semi-annual checkup from the neck up on your AC. You want to drain that water heater. Just things to keep in mind so you don't have to minimize the unexpected. On move-outs, you want to schedule, when you have a move-out, you have to factor in vacancy. You want to have time to touch up paint, do again another analysis of the property condition to start off on a good foot with the next applicant. So if you have any questions about renting your home out in Las Vegas from a professional property management perspective, please reach out to us, comment down below, send us an email, send us a message on our website. We'd be happy to share any of the resources we have if you want to go it on your own, or if you're considering professional property management, we'd be happy to talk further about it. Thanks a lot.